Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to open up the SIM card tray and install a SIM card on your Samsung phone. Now, this could also be an SD card too. If you look at this little tray on the side here, you can place in two different things, usually on your Samsung device. I got the A16. So I'm going to use the, I have an earring right here, or you can use the removal tool that comes with your SIM card or your phone. You should have it, and it just looks like this. And then you can just press it into the SIM card hole right here and open up the tray. Now you can see it's open on the side here. Just use your fingers and remove it. And the SD card is going to be the larger slot, and the SIM card is going to be the smaller one. Now to place it in, just make sure you don't have it upside down, and then place the SIM card in, or the SD card. And then I'm just going to press it in, and it should just lay flat. And if you don't have it perfect, when you place it back in, just align the holes. It should flatten it out. Now, it's very important you make sure this is flat on the side, so you can see it's up just a little bit. I'm going to go back and forth with my finger a few times just to make sure it's sitting correctly. And then it should register on your device. So once you have it installed, just swipe up and go to search and go to files. And it should just pop up automatically now. So let's go to files and type this in correctly. And when you go to My Files, you should be able to see your SD card on the bottom. And you can click it, and now you can transfer files between your internal storage and your SD card very easily. So you can just press on the image or video that you want to go ahead and transfer, go to copy or move, and then choose your internal storage or SD card where you want to move it to. And then pick the folder and go to copy here. Just that easy. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.